once we get the trans on and we start figuring out how to put it in.
Hey, can you bring up your phone, see how this looks like?
How do you look? How you like this?
It's gone.
Yeah. Finally, something that looks good on you. It was hard to find something.
Yeah, look at that. About to get like maybe a couple more thousand views on your channel.
Why? Because it's a K series?
Kind of stuff, yeah.
Yeah.
Look at this thing.
How do you pound it in?
Oh, hammer?
I have a hammer yet.
What about a rubber mallet?
Oh, I forgot to bring my green mallet to get your wheel off.
I got a little red one, third drawer from the bottom, I think. Oh, this one, I'm sorry.
Nice. Did you lube it up?
Yep.
There's more than just car parts that works for.
Oh, there you go. Just slid in.
Now you can tap it. Okay.
Over here. Over here.
How many's left?
One. Okay, we'll go with it.
Should know.
Patience got us this far.
Right.
Alright. Oh, money.
Or you can take it off, snatch it off, whatever you want. I just take it off now and torque it. Matt, hold the flywheel.
1, 2, 3, 4.
I just crisscross.
1, 2.
Last one. That's it. Input shaft test again. That's it. You can see, like, you need that.
Yeah. Especially with like a triple disc. I can see using that on a single disc, you know.
I've done it. I can do the plastic on a twin.
Yeah.
But, dude, my triple is impossible. Watch my beer.
I won't kick your beer.
Or maybe not too much.
Oh,
There we go.
Dowel.
That's it. Bolts now. I got it. It ain't going anywhere. Going in here.
I thought it was supposed to get go in more all the way.
Yeah.
But we're up to the dowels. You gotta pull the dowels in.
Yeah.
Well, I gotta get my.
Here you go, you start twisting that one, no? Oh, picture time.
Oh yeah.
She's good.
Well, you gotta slide it in the spot now. Come on. Oh, you gotta unlock it.
You good? Oh, look at that. Oh, snap. 2020, huh?
It's really close.
See, that's a bitch, man. I don't know why that was hard to get.
Oh, you're going. You're in there.
Do it by hand, Harold. No, seriously, grab a ratchet
Okay.
on that socket
There you go.
and do it by hand.
It feels good.
Fuck yeah.
Alright, now we gotta get discs.
You want me to just...
How's it? Let's jiggle a little more.
There it goes. Alright, sweet.
Okay, you can lower that all the way. It's not going anywhere.
Lower it?
Yeah, like all the way.
Yeah.
Take the chain off. You take that
Alright,
off.
we're done with this, right?
Yep.
Wow, it's in there. Holy smokes.
It's in. Couldn't get any videos, needed everyone's hands. You know?
What size are those? Oh, I'm just kidding.
I would just tighten up those two side mounts all the way now.
What?
Well, I'm gonna whack it, ready?
Yeah. Okay, okay.
Maybe we need
A little
another
bit
good
more.
one. Another one?
Yep.
I feel like you need a couple more.
What do you mean? You got that bottom one in.
Really?
Good. Yeah, he's gonna have to whack it to the rear or something now, right?
Yeah.
Or I gotta whack it down, which is gonna take it to the rear.
Hey, slow down.
Sorry, I'm excited.
Okay, one at a time.
Jeez.
I need to get a pry bar or something and pry.
Wait, pry right now.
How are we lined up for everything else? I don't want to
Matt, try and do that one. Well, the back we can like jack on the motor and.
Yeah. I cleaned those holes that you're trying to go in right now, Matt, so they should be good.
I leave them just a little loose still. What do you gotta do, Matt?
You gotta hit it down.
Ready?
Alright, stop.
A little more?
Yeah. Alright, stop. Money.
That's it. Alright, so we got everything threaded for on the trans. Now we just gotta get the through bolt in.
I'm snug up here.
Cool. I'm still because it's on the. It's
Can
got.
we-
It's
hold
got,
on.
You gotta twist it.
Hold on, can we loosen these 3 bolts?
Yeah.
Pull this mount up a little bit, get that through, and then tighten these up.
Yeah. I don't see why not.
Money.
There it is.
In there.
Now you can tighten it all up. Everything's threaded.
That's what's moving it right there.
There you can feel it?
Yeah.
You can feel the engine like.
Yeah. Getting put home. Yeah, man. I'll be able to start bolting all the accessories on, put the weight plate in, finish up the fab work.
I know what you're doing tomorrow. I'm gonna see a picture. You're gonna put the exhaust manifold and turbo on. Just
I
to
know.
look at it. Yeah, you
Put
are.
it on right now.
Yeah, you are. I don't even joke.
I want to.
Yeah.
Do it.
Right now.
Send me the picture. Give me one bolt. I'll do one over here while you do one over there. Let me know when you think you're lined up.
Good.
This is gonna be a pain.
Yeah, they do suck. Try to get that bottom corner. I can't see yours, so.
Well, you gotta do mine with a wrench now. Or you can wiggle it in there more, Harold.
Yep.
You're out of commission, dude.
So was it 12s? Should we get the turbo?
Yeah?
Oh, yeah.
Yes. Yes. That sucks. We gotta clock it and everything a little bit.
Maybe. It's all apart already.
Whoa.
Okay, we should be able to.
Holy fuck, dude. Holy fuck.
Okay, that one's gonna be a problem.
Jesus.
Are you done, dude?
No,
Here,
dude.
let me put the intake on.
This is nice.
So is he gonna have turbo lag from this big ass turbo?
Oh, it'll be a little leggy. But he ain't gonna notice it. He's not letting off the throttle.
Oh, you're out the guy.